happened since from the age of 10, and recently 2 years ago I joined Bangalore because there was no coach in Goa. So after lockdown I joined Bangalore and I was training there since, and after that I've got a couple of national medals throughout the 2 years, and now for the Goa National Games I got one bronze for the 400 iron, and it's been a really good experience, and everything is really well done really nicely, and I'm enjoying the experience. Nice to get a medal in hometown since everyone's eagerly waiting for this medal, and there are expectations from everyone, and I'm really grateful to win a medal for Goa. Morning prayers and evening prayers I've been practicing in Bangalore, and between 1 to 1.5 hours, and I've been training in Bangalore with Mr. Kumar, my coach in Bangalore, and swimming is a really beautiful sport. It's a very unique sport, and wherein you need to be strong on every aspect, and you need to be really constant about whatever you're doing and be positive, and you will succeed. After 2 years actually they bought a coach. The Cricket Association got a coach for Goa, and since then Goa's swimmers are coming up, and I think they are doing a pretty well job for the company.